If you want to add a bevel effect in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Layer Style menu to create that raised, embossed, or chiseled 3D look on text, shapes, and graphic elements. This is a super useful effect for buttons, logos, headings, and design elements that need to stand out. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your text, shape, or graphic layer is already in your Photopea document. On the right side, open the Layers panel and find the layer you want to edit. To bring up the style options, double-click the empty gray area next to the layer name. You don't want to double-click the thumbnail or the text itself, just the empty space beside the layer. That opens the full Layer Style window. Now, on the left side of the Layer Style menu, look for Bevel and Emboss near the top of the list. Click the small checkbox next to it to turn the effect on. Then click directly on the words Bevel and Emboss so you can open the Settings panel and start customizing the look. The first thing you'll see is the Style setting. This is where you decide how the bevel should behave. If you choose Inner Bevel, the 3D effect stays inside the edges of your object, which is great for text and clean UI designs. If you choose Outer Bevel, the effect pushes outward and can make the layer feel like it's popping off the page. Pick the one that matches the style you want. Next is Technique. For most soft, polished designs, keep it on Smooth. This gives you rounded transitions and a more natural 3D feel. If you want something sharper, heavier, or more dramatic, switch it to Chisel Hard. That works well for metallic looks, carved stone effects, or bold title graphics. After that, set the direction. Choose Up if you want the object to look raised above the background. Choose Down if you want it to look engraved, stamped, or pressed into the canvas. This one small setting can completely change the feel of the effect, so it's worth experimenting with. Now move down to the Size slider. This controls how wide and visible the bevel edge will be. Sliding it to the right makes the 3D edge thicker and more noticeable. Sliding it left keeps the effect subtle and tight. If you want a stronger, more obvious bevel, increase the size of it at a time and watch the preview update live. Then adjust the Depth setting. Depth controls the intensity of the lighting contrast, which affects how strong the highlight and shadow look. A higher depth usually makes the bevel feel more dramatic and pronounced. A lower depth gives you a softer, more natural result. This is one of the most important settings if you want your bevel to look realistic instead of too harsh. If the edge looks too sharp or too clean, use the Soften slider. Soften helps blur the transition between the light and dark areas, which can make the bevel look smoother and less mechanical. It's especially useful if you want a polished, professional finish rather than a hard-edged carve. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the canvas behind the window. Photopea updates the effect in real time, so you can instantly see how each slider changes the look of your design. That makes it really easy to fine-tune the effect until it feels just right. Once you're happy with the bevel, click OK in the top right corner of the Layer Style window to apply it. And that's it. Your text or shape now has a clean Photopea bevel effect that adds depth, style, and a more professional finish. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.